Hi there, I'm Josh, and today we're going to get you started with Zeiss Reverse Engineering. In this Getting Started video, we'll be showing you some tips and tricks to help you get started faster with Zeiss Reverse Engineering. Feel free to pause at any point to follow along. There are also chapter segments if you wish to skip ahead, so let's get started. These first two tips will help you with your most used functions. With this search function, you can easily search for keywords if you do not know the exact name of the function you want to use. Additionally, you can bookmark your favorite tools and easily access them with a right mouse button click or by clicking the star icon found here. These favorited functions will remain in your bookmarks in all subsequent software instances and will not need to be created each time. Another very useful tool is placed on the bottom of the screen. The transparency tools can be used to help you in viewing elements differently. This can be especially useful to see if you have correctly intersected elements. Highlighting can provide a quick way to pick out a specific element when you have a lot of elements visible in your project. On the very bottom of the screen, underneath the 3D view, you can also use this scale to measure your part and approximate values when setting parameters. To easily create images for reports, you can use the snapshot tool found here at the bottom. The files that are created will all be added to the folder you have selected as your storage location in your settings. Let's continue with another tip. Here on the upper right of the 3D view, the Fit to Screen icon is found. Additionally, we can see the status window here. This will come in handy when analyzing your part. Lastly, to minimize clicks when doing your reverse engineering tasks, Zeiss Reverse Engineering provides you with a nice set of shortcuts listed in the user guide. If you experience anything different from what you've seen here, or if you have any issues with Zeiss Reverse Engineering, please reach out to us via support@handsonmetrology.com. For more getting started information, please check out our other videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.